Hi there, and thank you for clicking on my video. In today's video, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to create a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive. Now, to do this, we're going to need three things. You're going to need to have access to a computer. You'll need access to the internet, and you'll also need a USB flash drive that has 8 gigabytes of capacity or larger. Now, keep in mind, whichever USB drive that you are going to be using to load the Windows 10 Media Creation tool onto, it will delete any files that you have on that USB drive. So make sure to take anything that you might have saved on there off of there beforehand, or you'll stand to lose anything that'll be saved to the USB drive. But with that being said, let's move forward with the tutorial. Hi everyone. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to Google, and we're going to do a Google search. I'm going to start typing in Windows Media Creation Tool, hit enter, and it'll bring you here. You're going to want to go to the Microsoft.com website, download Windows 10 ISO file. Let's click there. Now from here, we just need to scroll down the page to download tool now. We'll click on that. And you'll get a pop-up in the bottom left, Media Creation Tool EXE. We'll click on the EXE. And yes. Now this does take a little while, so be patient. Okay, go ahead and click accept. They're still getting a few things ready. Okay, if you haven't done so already, plug in your USB flash drive, and we're going to select Create Installation Media USB flash drive and select Next. So if you're going to be creating this USB flash drive for this the PC that you're working on or computer that you're working on, leave this as a use recommended option for this PC. In my case, I am going to be using this for another PC, so I will deselect this, and you'll have to go through, select your language, your edition, Windows 10, and usually it's 64-bit, but you can always check to see if you're running a 32-bit model. If you don't know, you can select both though. I'm going to select 64-bit, however, and then select Next. And we're going to go USB flash drive and Next. And I know that the D drive is my USB drive, so I'm going to select Next. And this is going to start downloading Windows 10. This does take a little while, so we'll just sit here and wait for it to do its thing. Alright, now that Windows has finished doing the download and setting up the Windows Media Creation tool, your USB flash drive is ready and you can finish, and that is everything. You now have a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive that you can use with another computer, or possibly if you selected the recommended for this PC option for your own PC. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day.